Watching everyone around you become parents while you're still waiting for your turn can be painful. You've tried the medicines, consulted the doctors, followed the advice, and still you're waiting for that positive pregnancy test. And you start wondering, will it ever happen for us? If you've been trying to conceive and feel like you've tried everything, take the next step with personalized guidance. Book a consultation with Dr. Arpita Sarma and the Janitva IVF team to understand what your next step could look like.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma Ulitu ba Deputy Commissioner Jong District East Jingtih Hills Radat Bantung ya Jingtohkit halor ka Jingklong ya Surok ha Kishnong Lelat. Ya kini Surok la subah balati de bertemu ban Khanglad di beliau ke bersyak Nongiashim bynta ha ka public hearing jong ka Shri Cement Limited ke belalong ha ka laipui trik unaitung hajar arpun riu halum serman. Bak sarkar kerang abeka kaipod jong ka Jingtohkit na Deputy Commissioner. Harga bedai bagi jingdawa banweng ia kini ke public hearing. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bagi sarkar kerang trailang bat kiseng beper bat kahap ban pet ya borok kiliang. Ulapan syai babun ki brio bat ki trashnong ha kini kathan ki penpau bagi jing smokeman bat ke jing kersyan ki karkhana ki bawan kini kathan. Kumta ke sarkar kahap ban syemekarai ke bedai bat baro ki bedun benta. Shosho Menteri Rangba ulapan jor bagi sarkar ke plia ke jingkang Ladadan kanugno kekenuan kabakwa banwan ekran halor ke Shri Cement. Ulapan pau bagi jing ekran ka dikalat kababahatam banyak cakamat bat ban penbet ikinu gijing gijing sengotuk bakla ban pet igi benta jong gijing kenram barok kawai.
As you're aware that the other side also of the story is that there are a lot of the local people in that area, particular area who are involved, are very much happy and have supported the industries coming in. So therefore, we have to take all stakeholders into confidence. We have to ensure that we speak to everybody. So the engagement is on, and after discussion and engagement, we will see how to proceed. An inquiry has been put up already. The Deputy Commissioner has already put up an inquiry into what is happening, so we are awaiting the reports.
So will government call them for talks, these anti-Shri Cement groups?
We'll see. We'll keep all our options open. As you're aware that we have never closed our doors for any discussions. We've always believed that discussion and dialogue is the best way to move forward. And if there are any concerns, any misconceptions, or any areas of confusion, we'll be happy to discuss and clarify so that we can all move together in a positive direction.